So hey guys, this is Lego Freak 518 signing in, and today I'll be doing a commentary video on my new Lego puzzle box. And I am here with my friend Killabro. The gaming begins. Say hi. That is him. I'm talking to him on Skype. So yeah, that's him, and whatever is on this camera, he's seeing. So tell them how many fingers I'm holding up. Brian, how many fingers am I holding up?
2.
See? So he can see that. What? Wait. What does this say?
Lego.
Okay. So yeah, he can see this. This is a Lego safe, Brian. So this.
Sorry. Kerbal Space Program. It's pretty fun.
Yeah. So I'll just put this here. And so this is the Lego safe, guys. And I'll just leave my phone. I'll try to leave it in the background so you guys can see it. Oops. Like that. So first, you can't pull this out. You just can't. Okay? Sorry about these. I wish they were white, but I didn't have any. So what you first do is you come over here, you slide this out. This stud comes out. Come over here. Push it over here. If you push it in here or in here, you lose, okay? Because it won't come out. My rule is once you put it in a hole, you can't take it out. Okay? That's just the rule of this puzzle box. So I cannot take that out. Even if I go like that, I cannot take it back out. So you push this, and this comes out. It has a 3 stud long axle, and let's just leave it like that. So what you do is you come over here, put it in here, push it all the way, turn it. Sometimes it's kind of hard. So this, see, cannot come out no matter how hard you try. So you turn this, and now you can pull that out. There's a 4. I had to shred this a little bit because I have a piece. Is a piece like let me find one. So it was a piece like this, and you see how that is a little. I needed this to fit with a 4 long piece, so I had to shred this down a little bit so it would fit. Because if it didn't, this would stick out a little bit, and it just won't look good. So you come over here. You see, you can't push this because this is an actual stud. You can't like push it out. So you can see that stud. That stud. You can't push it out. So you put it in here, push it in all the way. Still can't pull it. So you turn it, and you come out, and your special item is an apple. Remember, Brian? Brian. Brian. Remember the apple that you put in here? The apple? Here, let me turn this up, guys.
Yeah, I still can't see it. It's pretty red.
So, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, barely.
So, yeah, remember the apple? That was our special item. So, what you do is you just put this back in here, and that's just that.
Uh-oh.
That is a lot of background noise. Let me turn that down a little bit. So you put that back in. Actually, you have to turn it. Lock it so you can't pull it out. Very hard to get this out if you push it in all the way. Put it in like that. Drop it. This goes in. You have to turn this because it always does that. And if it wasn't shaded, it would go like that. It would stick out like that, and you could push it in any farther. So you turn it. And I made it so if it locks, it clicks. This one. So listen. You hear that click? Let me unlock it. So you can still pull it out. You hear that click? Now you can't pull it out. So I just put that in because it's really hard. And so you take this, you put it back in, put it like that. You take this, put it back like right there. It just sits there. And then this goes like that. But my problem is this comes out. So you gotta kind of squeeze it together and pull those flat tiles up as hard as you can. Or vents, because I had to use vents. And it doesn't come out as fast. So yeah, that's my Lego safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like the new Skype thing. I might do that for a lot of videos now. So yeah, Brian, that is the safe. You can see it. Brian, there's the safe. Now look. 6 minutes.